Hi guys, this is Sarthak from Bikat Adventures and we are here to show you how to use a sleeping bag. The first thing to do is remove the bag from its cover. Now keep the cover safely in the tent somewhere where you won't forget it. Then spread out the bag flat on the mattress. Don't forget to remove your shoes. Then unzip the bag halfway. Don't unzip it fully or you'll have trouble zipping it once you're in the bag. As you notice, this bag has a liner. A liner helps in maintaining hygiene and makes it easy to wash the liner instead of the bag. Now, place your feet first into the bag and keep sliding down until your feet touch the bottom. Now lie down, zip up the bag and place the hood over your head. Now, to get out of the bag, unzip it halfway, sit in an L-shaped position, unzip the rest of it, and get out. Now to pack the bag, zip it back up, and stuff it into the cover. Tie a knot. This was how to use a sleeping bag. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below.